Spicy tuna waffles, anyone? This is a super easy lunch or snack that I love to make, and I'm using the Success white rice, which boils in boiling water for 13 minutes, and it makes perfectly fluffy rice. So to make it stick in the waffle maker, I make this vinegar mixture to add to the rice, and then I made it the night before and kept it refrigerated so that it also would stick a little bit better. Now I'm prepping the sauce for the spicy tuna, which is QP mayo, sriracha, and rice vinegar. I finally diced the tuna so that it soaks up all that flavor, and then add it into the sauce so that it marinates a little bit. Meanwhile, you can cut your garnishes. I love avocado to add some creaminess to the spice, and then green onion to add some color on top because, your eyes gotta eat first, right? Now in the waffle maker, I just add a tiny bit of oil and then pack the rice so that it really squishes into that waffle shape, and that is what will hold it all together. So it's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Top it with the avocado and then the spicy tuna, and I like to garnish on top with the green onion and a little bit of furikake. Next time people are over, then you can ask.